Hi everybody, my name is David and today we will talk about AWS Autoscaling. We named it How to Scale Your Cloud Resources Easily because it's just what it does. So it manages for you the scaling process of your resources in the AWS cloud. What it is? A formal way, boring way to explain it is a new service that monitors application by automatically adjusting capacity, maintaining stable and predictable performance, reducing costs to a minimum. What does it mean? Easy way to explain it, we make an example. Imagine you are a restaurant manager and you know that at certain times of, for example, Saturday evening, you have a lot of people that wants to come to your restaurant, and you don't have enough waitress for that. What you can do with this service, you can automatically scale up the number of your waitress from 2 to 3 to 4, and then pay them just for how much time they work, and then you can send them home. It's in this case we talk about horizontal scaling, so you add more resources of the same type to your cloud. Another way to scaling it's vertical scaling, so you upsize your instances, so you take like a bigger waitress, we can say. We said new service because today we have the opportunity of unifying all scalable services under a single service, AWS Autoscaling. So you can scale EC2, you can scale database with, for example, RDS, or containers with ECS, and so much more. In this case, I will talk about how it works when you want to build an autoscaling group. For first, you have to create an MEI or choose an MEI. An MEI it's an image of your instance, so where there is written which operating system you want, for example. You choose the MEI and you put it on the launch configuration template. Today is named launch template, and it's a template where there are a lot of attributes. There are the attributes of your launch configuration, so about your instance. So you choose the MEI, as we said, instance type, EC2 user data, so how your instance, what we will do when you boot it up during your booting process. Then you can choose the storage, the security groups, SSH key pairs if you need it. Then you take this launch configuration template and you use it for building your autoscaling group. So your autoscaling group will scale up or down based on the launch configuration you gave it. Key concept: when you build an autoscaling group, you have to set desired capacity. So you say desired it's 2 instances, minimum it's 1, maximum it's 4. So your autoscaling group will scale up and down as needed. Then you can choose, you can set the scaling policies. Another key concept is health checks. Autoscaling groups notifies and automatically scales. For example, when he sees that an instance is unhealthy through health checks, he replaces that instance with an healthy instance took from where? From your launch configuration template. You can use the autoscaling group. It works very well with an application load balancer for managing the traffic through your cloud resources, and distributing your resources through more availability zones. How much does it cost? Autoscaling group is for free. The charges you pay are just for the CloudWatch service you use and for the resources used by your application. So you pay for EC2 instances you use, elastic load balancers you use, and so on. So it's completely free. You pay, as we said, just for what you use and how much time you use it. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you enjoy it and it helps you through your trip on the cloud. See you soon. Goodbye.